Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with a clear workbook and the very first actions matter. Open Excel, create a new file, and immediately type concise headers in row 1 so columns are meaningful. Once done, freeze panes on header row to keep labels visible while you scroll. You should also set data types for each column, text for names, date for timestamps, number for amounts, because formatting controls sorting, calculations, and prevents errors later when formulas run. You now convert your range to a table with Ctrl+T to gain structured references and built-in filters. Once the table exists, add calculated columns using SUM, average, and if. Use absolute references like $1 when copying formulas that must point to a fixed cell. Make sure to name ranges for clarity and apply conditional formatting to flag outliers. As you work, sort and filter to check subsets. This reveals data patterns and ensures your formulas respond correctly. You finish by validating and protecting your work so the sheet is reliable. Start with data validation rules to restrict entries, then use trace dependence and error checking to find broken formulas. Once satisfied, lock critical cells, protect the sheet, and save a version copy so you can roll back. Make a short summary area or mini dashboard with key totals and charts for quick review. If something goes wrong, unprotect, inspect formulas, and check cell formatting first. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.